G'day guys, it's Waitangi Day weekend here in New Zealand. Te Tiriti o Waitangi is New Zealand's founding document. So under the shadow of Mount Kakapuku, I want to share some history from Cambridge or the Waikato that I picked up in the local cemetery about Chief Karaka Paeahu and his wahine aroha Princess Paeahu mai te Whetuiti. This is Photos from the Week, episode 123. Yeah, well, you can learn so much about the history of a place in its cemetery. And Whetuiti Cemetery is no different, where I was introduced to Karaka Paeahu, Chief Paeahu, who lays beside his dearly beloved Paeahu mai te Whetuiti, Princess Paeahu mai. Now the couple lived just out of Cambridge in a place called Hanatoria Marae, and the couple and their family opened their doors to Hanatoria Marae, became known as a place of spiritual and physical healing, open to an overflow from the nearby government-owned sanatorium, an overflow convalescence home for tuberculosis patients, then soldiers, and after that as a support centre offering shelter and healing to anyone regardless of race. Ka pai, Chief Karaka Paeahu and Princess Paeahu mai. Awesome people making up a great part of history of the local area here in the Waikato of New Zealand. And at the end of the video I'm going to share a link to a video about Te Tiriti o Waitangi. Check it out, it's only 2 minutes long and it really tells you a lot about New Zealand and about how we came to be as a country. Well, before we get too excited, let's have a quick look at the mega cow. This is in Morrinsville. Isn't it cool? Moo! Just to lighten the mood. Right, let's get back into it. You may have noticed, or I may have said, or told you that I've recently picked up my late grandfather's camera and all his slides from his travels around the world. They're all catalogued, such as the meticulousness of my grandfather, all catalogued and indexed and ready for me to go through, and I'm looking forward to show you a lot of these slides. I've ordered the slide scanner, it's on the way, so I'm going to do a series. Look, Photos of the Week could evolve into something around these slides. I hope you enjoy it in advance, and thanks for sticking along for the journey to come. Yeah, I also got out and I took the camera out for a shoot. I picked up the battery, I got some film, Kodak 200. Maybe I should have gone for the 400, but anyway, I took it out. We won't see the results for a couple of weeks, I suppose. Anyway, while I was out, I got these photos just to reinforce the fact that people out here in New Zealand, we've had terrible flooding up in Auckland and around the upper North Island, but it's still summer. So get out there and enjoy. And leaving you with the two cameras, top and bottom, these are the same setup. Full frame 35mm with a 50mm lens. Thank you so much for watching Photos from the Week. Take care out there. Kia ora iho.
Of all the waters which have flowed since, it is as important now as it was then that Te Tiriti o Waitangi is honoured and upheld.